We are going to discuss about the neck dissection. First category is the radical neck dissection, in which we remove the group of lymph nodes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus we remove this nerve, we remove this interjugular vein, and we remove this sternocleidomastoid muscle. So this is the one category. Now we have got the modified radical neck dissection. This is the modified form, and here it has got three types. That's one, two, three. In type 1, we remove lymph node 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus we preserve this nerve. And in modified radical neck dissection type 2, we also preserve this vein. And in modified radical neck dissection type 3, we also preserve this muscle. So in all the three types, we will remove the 1 to 5 lymph nodes, but in 1 we spare one structure, in 2 we spare two structures, and in 3 we spare three structures. Now there is a term that is selective neck dissection. In the selective neck dissection, we preserve all those three structures. That's the spinal accessory nerve, internal jugular vein, and sternocleidomastoid. But we also preserve some sort of muscles. Like in case of lateral neck dissection, we remove level 2, level 3, level 4, and we preserve all other groups of the lymph nodes. In posterior lateral, we remove 2, 3, 4, 5, and we preserve others. That's one. And in supraomohyoid selective neck dissection, we remove level 1, level 2, level 3, and also level 4. And in case of the anterior lateral, we remove level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and others. I have already discussed the radical, modified radical. So thank you so much for watching the video.